Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete a conversation on the Skype application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the chats icon down below, which is the first option, and select the conversation that you would like to delete completely. After that, you should swipe to the left side of the screen and tap on this three dots icon. And now you should click on the delete conversation icon, which is the last option. Now, as you can see, you need to select which conversation with that particular person you want to delete, such as your Skype chats, your private conversation, or you can also select the delete all section. So click on the relevant one and confirm by tapping on the delete button. Now, as you can see, your whole conversation has been deleted and it disappeared from the chats section. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.